actually smashing. Yeah. Look at that. Nice. Big, nice garlic. 2 more to go. Back to chopping. Smashing. Okay, this one's a little bit hard. We're getting there. Yeah. Cut a little bit of that bit off. Yeah. If you know what
Which one do you think works better? Smacking it with the knife or smacking?
Let's do one first try. I think the knife, because that one was that, like, if you do like that, it crushed it. So maybe, I think the same actually. Comment below. This bit's hard as well. You know what I'm gonna do, right? Yep, it's gone. Well, that's the garlic. Now let's clean the board up a little. Wait. Maybe should I wash my hands? My hands are a little bit